Do you have an AI roadmap? Is your company ready to adopt AI strategy? In the age of AI, the most successful leaders will be those who master the art of combining human wisdom with artificial intelligence.
Today we are here at the Grand Hyatt Exhibition Center to host our first flagship exclusive program for executives in leadership called the AI plus HI Strategic Intelligence.
Are you ready to lead your organization into the next era of business transformation? Transform your organization's future through the power of human and artificial intelligence. Welcome to Strategic Intelligence for Leaders. Strategic Intelligence for Leaders, an exclusive executive workshop and program where artificial intelligence meets human insight to create unprecedented business value. Led by innovation pioneers, Lori Figueiredo, transformation strategist and founder, Syzygy.
So I look at any organization or country that's going through a lot of change. And of course now with AI, there's a huge trajectory, a very steep curve of change happening. And my focus is looking at the human element of change. So how do we help people change as fast as the technology changes? Hosted by DDS was a very powerful opportunity for us as various specialists from the human intelligence side, the tech side, business leaders, but not leaving the humans behind.
Bobby Stadelman, CEO, Falcons.ai.
We're a company that's passionate about using artificial intelligence to improve the way things get done.
Michael Stadelman, CTO, Falcons.ai.
We specialize in AI solutions for negative spaces. Find out more today. It was funny until everybody started complaining when they found out what they were doing. So here's another power of AI. They saw the cute generative.
Mohammed Arshad Ahmed, data science leader, founder, Decoding Data Science.
What goes into this ecosystem is the importance of understanding the data, and that is the reason why our company Decoding Data Science is helping organizations and individuals do that.
Join our distinguished advisors who will navigate your journey to AI-powered leadership. In this transformative workshop, you'll discover the revolutionary fusion of AI and human intelligence in driving organizational change, strategic frameworks for seamlessly integrating AI into your business operations, cutting-edge insights from industry pioneers on AI leadership, customized implementation strategies for your unique organizational context, methods to cultivate an AI-ready workforce and inspire innovation, valuable connections with fellow visionary leaders, your organization's key decision makers, C-suite executives, CEOs, CTOs, CIOs, senior business leaders, strategy directors, human resources and operations executives, innovation-driven entrepreneurs.
My name is Sadia Kausar Ahmed and I'm the co-founder and community builder of Decoding Data Science, UAE's largest AI and data science community. If you are a CEO, a decision maker, or representing a large organization, managing teams and struggling to identify your roadmap in the AI space and the journey, we can help you assess this. We have a lineup of experts in this industry who can facilitate this, provide you, equip your teams and yourself with enough knowledge and training, consulting and also implementations.
Our unique approach tailored to your success. We understand that every organization's AI journey is unique. That's why we offer customized learning pathways, flexible implementation frameworks, personalized strategy development, ongoing support and guidance.
We had some very interesting discussions about the future, human intelligence and artificial intelligence. I think it's a great place to explore the future.
So I'd really like to thank Sadia Mohammed from Decoding Data Science for having us on. I think we had a really interesting talk about the convergence of HI and AI.
Your next step. Ready to pioneer the future of business leadership? Our expert advisory team will work with you to understand your specific needs and create a tailored experience that drives real results.
We just had an amazing event wherein we had a collaboration, artificial intelligence and human intelligence, how both can coexist.
If you are watching this video today, I highly recommend and encourage you to join our community, be part of our community events, and join our upcoming workshops.
Register your interest today and begin your journey toward AI-enabled excellence. Transform your AI strategy. Transform your leadership. Transform your future.